Namaste, welcome to Pau's Secrets. I am Pau. I'm very happy that you're here doing this video with me. Welcome to my space of yoga. In this video, I want to show you a few tips when you're doing plank, when you're doing the Dandasana pose. It's very important that you're present in your body when you're practicing, that you are your own teacher, that you're feeling everything that's happening in your body, in your breathing, and that you can get better and better in how to take care of your body. It's not as much as how the pose looks like, it's about how you're taking care of your body, how you're protecting your body, and how you're getting stronger and more flexible every day. Before we start, subscribe to my channel and please put a like on this video. That helps me a lot to be able to continue sharing all this information with you and bringing all these free videos in my channel. So let's begin. So the plank pose. This is the plank pose. Your wrist, your elbow and your shoulder are in the same line. You're on your toes are very activated, belly in. So you have like this rotation of your hips, and your hips are not too high and not too low. You engage in your core. You activating your arms, external rotation of your arms. You spreading your fingers. No tension on your neck. You're looking forward, and you can hold this pose. And if you stay here, you're gonna start feeling fire on your core, fire on your belly if you are in the right position. So again, make sure your hips are not up here, your hips are not collapsing here. Your full body is activated, and you can continue breathing, but you feel it in your arms, you feel it on your legs, you feel it on your core. And from here, if you want to go to Chaturanga, that we do that a lot in the Vinyasa class, from here, you start bending your elbows and you bring your full body down. But if when you're doing that, your hips go like this, or you start doing weird stuff like that, that means that your Chaturanga is not gonna happen for now from plank. It's gonna happen from your knees down. Bringing the belly in, engaging your core, making sure your core is very strong, and then you start bending the elbows and bring your torso down. Okay, so again, this is your plank, this is your Dandasana, belly in, connect with your body, scan your hips, feel your core, and do your Chaturanga from here. But if you cannot do that, you bring your knees down from your plank and you go down like that. Okay? So I hope these tips help you for your practice, and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, put a like on this video, that helps me a lot. And don't forget, you can follow me also on Instagram, Pau_secrets. If you have any questions, I see you there.